Look at that turtle go, bro.
On a faraway island of Solomon, I saw a year of the turtle was a king of the pond. A nice little pond, it was clean, it was neat. The water was warm, there was a plenty to eat. Until one day, the king of them all decided the kings and he was too small. I'm a ruler of all that I see, but I don't see enough, and that's the trouble with me. With a stone for a throne, I'm too low down, not to knock down upon the places beyond. So you're to the church, the king lifted his hand, and you're to the church, the king gave a command. He ordered all the turtles under one another's back. He piled them high into a 10 turtle stack. Oh, you're to the church of the things I now rule. I'm a king of a cloud, I'm a king of a mule.
Look at the turtle go, bro.